Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to find out the details of system, display and sound of any Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So you might be thinking that you can find out the details of the system just by going to this PC and right clicking and going to the properties, right? You might be thinking. So it says a very limited details, so even you don't get the name of your computer model number, so you can see your computer description is nil, so you need to add it manually. But there is a system where you can get all the details automatically. So for this, what you need to do is you need to press Win plus R on your computer keyboard to enable the run, and you can see here I have already typed that command. You need to type this word dx DIAG. Just type this name. Once you type this name, you can hit enter, or you can either click on OK. Wait for a few seconds. So now you can see your DirectX diagnostic tool. So here what you will get, you can see on the above bar, system, display, sound 1, sound 2, inputs, right? So under the system option, you can see the current date, computer name, operating system that you were using, language, which language you were using, even the system manufacturer. Right now I'm using a HP, as it is definitely right. Even you can see the system model number, speed this much. You can see the BIOS version, processor, how much memory. I'm using a 16 GB RAM. You can see details of everything, even the DirectX versions. Alright, I'm using is DirectX 12. So this is the system information details, and if you move back to the top portion, you can see the next option is display. When you click on it, it will show you the display, like the what graphics you are having on your respective Windows computer. So I'm having an Intel HD graphics 530 model, and manufacturer is from the Intel. So you can see the chip type, deck, device type, approximate total memory. Even there are lots of more information. Even you can see HDR is supported or not. So in my computer, so there is no support for HDR. So you can see the current display mode, shared memory, and on the right side you can see the driver details, driver portion number, date, lots of information here too. So and below you can see your DirectX features. So you can see your direct draw acceleration is enabled, direct 3D acceleration is enabled, AGP texture acceleration is enabled. So you can get lots of details about display also. Now let's move to the third option, sound one. So here you can get the audio outputs and the devices that you were using on your Windows computer. So you can see here, and in the sound too, similarly you can see the hardware informations of the sound devices, and on the last option you can see input devices that are attached to my computer, whether it may be a wireless mouse or wired mouse or wired keyboard or wireless keyboard or any other USB accessories attached to my computer. So you can see under this input option, if you have connected any USB devices like a printers, scanners, mouse or keyboards. So you can see here all the informations using this option. So if you never known about how to find out the details of system, display and sound of any Windows computer, then you should definitely try these tricks. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.